Hey guys, welcome back to Microsoft Tech Champs. Today we are going to talk about the noise suppression in Microsoft Teams. Recently, Microsoft announced a feature wherein you can suppress the noise in the Teams desktop client. So basically, just to be sure on this, the noise suppression is only available on desktop clients for now. So basically, when you are on a Teams call or a meeting and your mic is turned on, in order to stop the background noise coming from you and that going to the other people who are on the phone call, you can turn this noise suppression on from Microsoft Teams. Basically, noise suppression in Microsoft Teams has three levels for now that are mentioned as auto, high, and low. So in order to use this feature, what we do is we go to our profile section, click on the profile, then go back to settings, and we here go to devices. Inside the devices, we see this option as noise suppression over there. So if you click on this stuff or take the mouse over, suppress background noise, uh, suppress background sound that is not speech. So basically, Microsoft Teams detects the speech signals and also the noise signals using the artificial intelligence. And here is wherein you can choose the section or the level of noise suppression. So currently we have three options: it's auto, it's high, and it's low. And there is off as well. Off is basically when you don't want Teams client to suppress the noise. So this mainly is in case when you have a very good headset which has the active noise cancellation feature inbuilt, and you're going to let this part played by your headset. In that case, you can turn it off. So but in the normal scenarios, when you don't have that active noise cancellation headset, you can come to Teams and change the levels from here. So here is this link as well, if you want to understand what exactly it is. So we can try to go on that link and take a look what it depicts over there. Alright, coming back to the article, we can take a look at few things that we have for noise suppression. This talks about the process that you can follow to enable noise suppression. As I mentioned earlier, go to the devices wherein you find all these settings. So basically there are three levels of noise suppression. One is auto, that's basically a default one. So auto here is basically a default one. In this level, basically you are letting the Teams client to decide what to suppress and what not. Basically at the end we are suppressing the background noise. So high is, in this case what happens is the Teams client suppresses all background sounds that is basically not a speech. So as I mentioned before, it uses artificial intelligence to determine what is speech and what's noise. So there are some notes here as well when we go for the high section. When we are setting the noise suppression level to high, in there we need to take care of few features. So for this option, your computer's processor must support advanced vector extension 2, AVX2 what we call as. And also the option is currently not available if the meeting or call is being recorded or live caption is turned on. So yeah, this thing needs to be noted down because most of our meetings are being recorded or the captions are turned on when we have people from different regions on the call, just for the proper understanding. So these are the two things that we need to take care of, being when the meetings are being recorded or the live captions are turned on. Also, enabling this option uses more computer resources. That's obvious because we are making the Teams client to decide what it needs to do with the background noise. So it has to use some intelligence over there. Obviously, it will use some computer resources. Also, there's one more option as low, which basically suppresses low level of persistent background noise like computer fan or an air conditioner. So that's basically a low level of the noise, and that can be suppressed using the low feature. Also, this off, as I discussed earlier, noise suppression is disabled. Use this settings for high fidelity microphones in low noise environments. As I discussed earlier, when you have a good active noise cancellation headset, in that case you may not want Teams client to do this thing and use the extra resources. So you may want to take care of this part through your headset. In that case, you can turn it off. So yeah, I think that was about it. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you really found it useful. Do subscribe my channel because in between I come up with such bits. Thank you so much. Take care.